In British India during the mid 1940s, a thriving Jewish community numbering around 20,000 found its home. They had a rich history in India dating back to 75 CE when they fled persecution in what is now Israel. Seeking refuge and escaping Greek oppression, they settled and integrated into Indian society. Over the centuries, they lived here. But in 1948, the establishment of Israel led many to leave, and today, only 5,000 families remain. In Delhi's vast national capital region, you will find less than 10 Jewish families, and more are occasional visitors. Rabbi Ezekiel Isaac, head of the Jewish community in New Delhi, aptly sums it up. We are like a drop in the ocean. This tale reflects the flow of history, a vibrant past, and a reminder of the threads that connect us all. The Jewish community of Delhi NCR gathers under the guidance of Judah Chaim. They seek solace and connection within the walls of their synagogue. Judah Chaim Synagogue is a quiet heaven, a place where they come together for prayer and celebrations, and to nurture their shared identity. Some Jews voice discontent. One of them says, and I quote, "I will always have a grudge. Even though we are a microscopic minority community, we have never been granted the recognition as a minority community by the center." It's a sentiment born out of a longing for acknowledgement and the official status that comes with it. However, not every Jew in India shares the same opinions. Highway actor Reuben Israel submits that he neither wants reservation for himself nor his children. Who had stopped me from doing anything in this country? I can cook a kosher meal if I want. I can eat pork and nobody is going to stop me, he says. Interestingly, in October 2016, the state of Maharashtra took a significant step. It became the first state in the country to grant minority status to the Jewish community. This historic decision was based on the Maharashtra State Minorities Commission Act of 2004, which empowered the government to confer minority status upon a community. Despite this progress, the Jewish community in the larger context of India remains an enigma to many, quietly preserving its traditions and hoping for recognition.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.